We all dream of wealth, financial freedom, and a prosperous future. But why do only a few manage to achieve it while many continue to struggle? Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly build riches, while others are weighed down by debts and bills year after year? Let's face it, our education system doesn't really prepare us for financial success. Schools teach us a lot of things that we rarely use, but they fail to teach us about managing money, wealth creation, and financial security. But don't worry, if you weren't taught about money in school, you're in the right place today. In this video, we'll go beyond basic savings and investments, diving into essential secrets that can transform your relationship with money. Are you ready to rethink the way you see wealth and start your journey to financial success? Let's begin by addressing some common beliefs about money, starting with the big question: is money good or bad? We've all been conditioned to view money with skepticism, often seeing it as something negative. Movies frequently portray wealthy people as dishonest or corrupt, leading many of us to associate wealth with immorality. But let's rethink that. Money itself isn't good or bad, it's neutral. It simply amplifies what's already within us. Someone can use money to do harm, but the same money can also be used to help others, buying meals for the homeless, supporting charities, or building schools. So the truth is that money is just a tool. What we do with it depends on us. One common myth you might have heard is, rich people can't get into heaven. But think about this. If God created everything, including wealth, why would he want his children to struggle? The truth is, it's not about the money itself, but about how we let it influence our hearts. Remember, money belongs in your bank account, not in your heart. There's another damaging belief many hold, that being rich automatically makes you dishonest. This couldn't be further from the truth. Yes, there are wealthy people who gain their riches through unethical means, but they are the exception, not the rule. Many successful people earn their wealth through hard work, honesty, and trustworthiness. The media loves to highlight dishonest rich people, making it seem like all wealthy individuals are corrupt. This creates a false narrative that we start believing. The result? We subconsciously despise wealth and, by extension, prevent ourselves from achieving it. If you think negatively about rich people, you're unlikely to become wealthy yourself. To change this, start affirming, "I will be an honest, rich person." Wealth doesn't have to compromise your integrity. It can be a means to create positive change for you and those around you. One of the most crucial lessons about money is that it's an excellent servant, but a terrible master. If you don't learn to manage your money, it will end up controlling you. This means having full awareness of your income and expenses. One of the biggest financial traps people fall into is reckless spending, especially with credit cards. People often treat their credit card limit as an extension of their income, leading to mounting debts. If you spend more than you earn, you're not only harming your finances, you're also setting yourself up for financial stress that could take years to recover from. Before swiping that card, ask yourself, do I really need this? More often than not, impulse purchases are unnecessary and become financial burdens later on. Let's talk about the 4 levels of financial health. Understanding where you fall can help you create a plan to improve your financial situation. Level 1. The first and worst level is spending more than you earn. At this level, people live in constant debt, unable to cover their expenses with their monthly salary. This creates stress, damages relationships, and can lead to financial ruin. Level 2, the second level, is living paycheck to paycheck. You cover your expenses, but nothing is left over. You're not in debt, but you also don't have any savings or financial security. At this level, you're merely surviving, not thriving. Level 3, the third level, is saving, but without a plan. You have a little money left over after paying your bills, but instead of investing it, you either spend it on unnecessary things or let it sit in a savings account where inflation eats away at its value. Level 4, the fourth and best level, is where your money works for you. After covering your expenses, you have money left over, which you invest wisely to multiply your wealth. This is the level where financial freedom begins. Whether through entrepreneurship or smart investments, the key is to make your surplus grow. If you want to elevate your financial life to level 4, you must learn to invest. When done right, Investing can transform your finances. But how do you start? The first step is to ensure you have money left over after paying your bills. Then, you need to make that surplus grow by investing in assets like stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. If you're not comfortable with high-risk investments, there are safer options like government bonds or fixed deposits. The important thing is to ensure your investments are safe, profitable, and liquid. Don't just save your money, make it work for you. Investing is the key to moving from surviving to thriving. Now that we've discussed financial levels, let's talk about the 5 levels of money. Earning. This is non-negotiable. You need a source of income. Saving. Set aside a portion of your income for the future. Investing. Make your savings grow by investing in profitable ventures. Multiplying. As your investments grow, continue to reinvest to create a snowball effect. Sharing. Use your wealth not only to improve your life, but also to help others. Wealth isn't just about hoarding money. It's about creating abundance for yourself and those around you. Mastering these 5 levels can help you achieve financial freedom and live a more prosperous life. If you've made it this far, it means you're serious about changing your relationship with money. You now have the tools to rethink your financial mindset, break free from harmful myths, and start building wealth the right way. Remember, money is a tool, and how you use it is what matters. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos that will help you on your journey to wealth and prosperity.